Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized the way we work, live, and even make money online. The power of AI allows individuals to generate income with less effort, presenting a new approach to making money in the digital age of 2024. In this guide, we'll explore 15 simple yet effective ways to earn online using AI, giving you the tools to start your journey toward financial freedom. Number 1. Understanding the potential of AI in online money-making. Artificial intelligence is a game changer across various industries, from healthcare to entertainment. In the world of online entrepreneurship, AI offers powerful tools to streamline processes and automate tasks. Beginners can use AI to analyze vast data sets, identify market trends, and even automate business operations. A key aspect of AI's potential in online money-making is its ability to learn and adapt. Machine learning algorithms can process large volumes of data, uncovering insights and patterns that would be challenging for humans to find. This means that even beginners with little technical expertise can use AI tools to make informed decisions and generate income. Number 2. Exploring passive income opportunities with AI-powered platforms. Passive income has become a popular concept, especially for those seeking ways to earn money with minimal effort. AI-powered platforms provide numerous avenues for generating passive income, including affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and stock trading. For example, AI-powered affiliate marketing platforms can help identify high-converting niches and automate advertising campaigns. In e-commerce, AI can manage inventory, process orders, and handle customer service inquiries. AI-powered trading platforms can automate stock trades and cryptocurrency investments, allowing you to earn money while focusing on other pursuits. Number 3. Leveraging AI chatbots for customer engagement and sales. In the world of e-commerce and digital marketing, AI chatbots have emerged as essential tools for engaging customers and driving sales. Chatbots can handle customer inquiries, process orders, and even recommend products, all without human intervention. This automation can lead to significant time savings and improved customer satisfaction. AI chatbots use natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to customer queries. Number 4. Monetizing content creation with AI-generated articles and videos. Content creation is a lucrative field, but it often requires significant time and effort. AI technology has made it easier to produce content by automating the creation process. AI-powered tools can generate articles, videos, and graphics with minimal input, allowing beginners to create content quickly and efficiently. These tools use natural language processing, NLP, and deep learning algorithms to produce high-quality content. Whether it's generating blog posts, product reviews, or social media content, AI can handle the heavy lifting, enabling you to focus on other aspects of your online business. Number 5. Investing in AI-driven financial markets. Investing in financial markets can be a complex and time-consuming process, but AI-driven platforms have simplified it. These platforms use advanced algorithms to analyze market trends, execute trades, and manage investment portfolios automatically. Beginners can leverage these platforms to invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other financial instruments without the need for constant monitoring. AI-driven trading platforms can identify profitable trading opportunities, manage risk, and optimize portfolio allocation. This automation allows investors to potentially earn significant returns with minimal active involvement. It's an ideal approach for those looking to make money online without the stress of day-to-day trading. By utilizing AI-driven financial platforms, beginners can explore new avenues for generating income while maintaining flexibility and reducing the need for constant market analysis. The key is to choose reputable platforms and understand the risks associated with investing. Number 6. Building niche websites with AI-generated content. Niche websites are a popular way to generate passive income through affiliate marketing, advertising, and sponsored content. AI-powered content generation tools allow beginners to quickly populate their websites with relevant articles, product reviews, and multimedia content. By targeting specific niches with high demand and low competition, beginners can attract organic traffic and monetize their sites through various revenue streams. Number 7. Using AI for search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for driving organic traffic to websites. AI-powered SEO tools use machine learning algorithms to analyze search engine patterns, identify keyword opportunities, and optimize website content for better visibility. Beginners can leverage these tools to improve search rankings, increase traffic, and ultimately generate more revenue from their online ventures. Number 8. Building AI-driven email marketing campaigns. Email marketing is a powerful way to engage customers and drive sales. AI-powered email marketing platforms use predictive analytics and automation to deliver targeted content to subscribers. Beginners can create effective email campaigns that are personalized and optimized for maximum impact. AI helps segment audiences, craft compelling messages, and track performance metrics, ensuring that email marketing efforts yield the best results. Number 9. Implementing AI-powered social media strategies. Social media can be a goldmine for reaching and engaging with potential customers, but managing multiple platforms can be overwhelming. AI-powered social media tools enable beginners to automate content scheduling, analyze audience behavior, and optimize ad campaigns across various platforms. This automation allows for efficient management of social media marketing, leading to increased brand visibility and higher traffic to online businesses. Number 10. Leveraging AI for personalized product recommendations. E-commerce businesses can benefit greatly from AI-powered product recommendation systems. These systems analyze user behavior, purchase history, and preferences to deliver personalized product suggestions. By integrating AI recommendation engines into online stores, businesses can increase average order value and encourage repeat purchases, leading to greater revenue potential. Number 11. Optimizing AI-driven advertising campaigns for maximum ROI. Digital advertising can be complex, but AI-driven advertising tools make it easier to optimize campaigns. These tools use machine learning to analyze data, identify patterns, and adjust ad performance in real time. Beginners can rely on AI to automate campaign management, optimize audience targeting, and allocate budgets efficiently, ultimately boosting return on investment, ROI, with less effort. Number 12. Using AI-powered customer relationship management, CRM, systems. Customer relationship management, CRM, is essential for building strong relationships with customers. AI-powered CRM systems take it further by analyzing customer interactions, predicting behavior, and automating communication workflows. Beginners can use AI CRM systems to track customer interactions, personalize marketing messages, and create engaging customer experiences, driving long-term loyalty and repeat business. Number 13. Monetizing AI-generated art and creativity. Artificial intelligence has transformed the creative process, allowing individuals to create stunning artwork, music, and designs with ease. AI-powered creative platforms enable beginners to generate unique digital art, music tracks, and illustrations. By monetizing their AI-generated creations through online marketplaces, digital art galleries, and freelance platforms, beginners can turn their passion for creativity into a profitable venture. Number 14. Offering AI-driven consulting and advisory services. As businesses increasingly adopt AI technologies, there's a growing demand for expert guidance and advisory services. Beginners with AI and data analytics skills can offer consulting services to help businesses implement and optimize AI solutions. Whether it's developing AI strategies, training teams, or troubleshooting challenges, consulting provides an opportunity to build a rewarding career in the AI industry. Number 15. Exploring AI-powered side hustles for diversified income. In addition to traditional income streams, beginners can explore various AI-powered side hustles to diversify their revenue sources. Online surveys, microtasking platforms, and freelancing as AI trainers or testers are just a few of the opportunities available. By experimenting with different AI-powered platforms and services, thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI-powered income generation. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, strategies, and insights into the digital world. Turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content.